Grinding lines only work when everything is connected. Every process playing its role. Every asset, every person, all in sync. Because what happens here powers what happens everywhere. And at the heart of the grinding line, the Gearless Mill Drive, where every turn matters to the efficiency of your entire mining operation, which is why operators need full visibility. Asset health, trend analysis, expert support, service history, AI-powered assistance, each a vital link in keeping your GMD performing at its best. Now, connected. Introducing Grinding Connect, a unified digital service suite built on ABB's deep expertise from over 160 GMD projects worldwide, combining data, analytics, and AI to maximize availability, reduce downtime, and optimize performance. This is the next step in grinding digitalization. Every resource at your fingertips with Grinding Connect.